welcome to Olymp Trade. My name is Angie. I am a financial analyst with Olymp Trade, and today we are going to speak about swing trading. This is a part of a series on the different styles of trading on Forex. Last week we discussed day trading with Alex, and if you missed the stream, definitely check it out. In this Forex series, we also discussed other important topics like money management. We also discussed how to make your trade profitable and basically how to start trading Forex with Olymp Trade. I have included the link to the entire playlist with all the streams that are dedicated to Forex in the description of this video, so my friends, please don't miss it. Next Thursday, we'll conclude this series and we are going to discuss position trading, which is more like investing. So it's definitely going to be interesting. And of course, make sure to check it out. First and foremost, I would like to go ahead and check the sound and the picture. I do realize that the video may be lagging just a little bit, so I just want to make sure that you can hear me and that you can see me well. Please let me go ahead and let me know in chat if everything's okay, and of course we'll get started. Okay, I do see some people in chat. Anurag Pal, hello. Omid Mom, hello. Lucky Sam, hello. How are you today? So once again, first, I just want to make sure that everything is okay with the sound and the picture. And of course, we'll get started with our series on Forex. Today, we speak about swing trading. Arnab, hello, hello. You can let me know in chat if everything is okay by putting a plus sign. You can also let me know what country you are joining me from today. And also, please let me know if you are new. Gynalysis, let's go. Just waiting for everything to pull up to make sure that everything is well. And of course, we'll get started, my friends. I'm also going to go ahead and switch to the platform, and we'll go ahead and check the sound and the picture to make sure that everything is okay here as well. If there's any problems with the video, I'll just disconnect this video right here, and we'll continue with just the platform, so it's not a problem. So my friends, please let me know in chat how everybody's doing. Sunny Wayne, hi teacher, how are you? Plus plus. I am doing very well today. I'm in a great mood. Summer is here. And how are you doing? Lord Simbad, hello. Video and sound are working good. Ashraf said hello. Fantastic. Thank you so much. I do also want to make sure that everything is okay with the sound and the picture when we switch to our platform. The video is a bit laggy. Jainal, thank you so much for that feedback. Okay, let's just give it just a second more so that everybody joins in, so that the video catches up a little bit, and then we'll get rolling with swing trading, my friends. Picture is paused, lagging Angie. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the video. And we are going to just give it just one more second for everything to pull up, and we'll get started. So no worries. Thank you so much for your patience. Patrick Roy, today we are going to discuss swing trading. So whenever you are trading Forex, there are different styles of trading. Last week, like I just mentioned, we discussed day trading. This is basically whenever you close your positions at the end of the day, so you only trade within one trading session, within one day. Today we are going to speak about swing trading, so it's like a midterm trading, lasts for about a week or two. And then next week we are going to speak about position trading. MK Patra, can I get any promo code? Yes, well, for expert account, I'm not sure what you mean by expert account. The promo code that I will give out today will be working for everyone. Anthony Omo, good day, Angie. I'm signing in from Nigeria. Welcome, welcome. Sunny Wayne is from Sri Lanka. Great. Thank you so much for all of your feedback. Of course, since we're on this topic, let's go ahead and give you your promo code. The promo code is SAFE and then the number 37. You have it displayed on your chart right now. You can use this promo code whenever you are making your deposit, and this will add plus 30% to your deposit. This promo code works until next Monday, which is going to be June the 1st, my friends. It's already June. I'm excited. I love the summer season. Okay, everything's perfect. So once again, your promo code for this week is SAFE and then the number 37. Use it to your advantage. Plus 30% to your deposit works until next Monday. And my friends, if there is anybody new that's joining us for the first time today, go ahead and please make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Go ahead and click on the red subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, show us your support, and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on any important and new notifications. Also, whenever we have our streams are starting, you'll get notifications, so make sure that you are subscribed, my friends. Alrighty, so let's, I think, get started. I do want to also mention that for you to go ahead and after this stream, this video is going to be uploaded to our YouTube channel. And I would like to ask you to please leave your comments below this video with your account ID number. And next Thursday, we are going to have our final Forex stream on position trading, and we'll raffle a risk-free trade by choosing a random comment from below this video. My friends, I also want to mention that you guys are so active that we are going to start giving out 2 risk-free trades per week. And basically, what I want to show you is right here. This is our just the home screen of our YouTube channel. So it's just Olymp Trade Global. This is, of course, where you subscribe. And what I wanted to show you is this tab called Community. Not everybody knows that it is here. And if you click here, we post a lot of important and information for you to use during your trading. And we recently started posting different targets for different assets, like for example the British pound and the US dollar, USD JPY, also gold, Brent oil, and Apple stocks, as well as Bitcoin. So definitely check it out, and go ahead and leave your comments below this post. You can just click on the comments right here, and right here, if you click on this link right here, you can see the full list of the targets that we post weekly. So look for them in the beginning of each week. And what you can do is go ahead and leave your comments below this last post. Don't forget to include your account ID number. And then next Tuesday, we are going to raffle a risk-free trade by choosing a random comment from below the post. So once again, next Tuesday, we're going to raffle a risk-free trade by choosing a random comment below the post in the community of our YouTube channel. And on Thursday, we are going to raffle a risk-free trade by choosing a random comment below this video once it's posted on our YouTube channel. And of course, I do hope that you join us whenever we're giving out our risk-free trades so that we can congratulate you. So today we are going to talk about what is swing trading and the characteristics that describe the style of trading. We are going to see the benefits and the disadvantages of this style of trading. And we'll also talk about what you should be doing and what to avoid with this trading style. So swing trading means that you keep your position, your trade, open for more than one trading session, which means more than one day. With swing trading, your trades can remain open for as long as a week, and sometimes can even remain open for 2 weeks. With swing trading, your trades can remain open, like I said, for an extended period of time. And swing trading often relies on fundamental analysis, although classical swing trading relies more heavily on technical analysis. In my opinion, it is important to combine the two, and it is important to keep track of the economic calendar. On the platform, if you click on the left hand side, there's a button called More. If you click on More, you can click on the economic calendar, and this will take you to the economic calendar. See, every week there are different releases of statistics and reports that gauge the state of the economy of different countries. These news releases, they have an effect on the price of the asset and currency pairs. So basically, if you have a trade open for a whole week, and if you are trading a cross currency pair, you need to keep track of the week's releases for both countries. Also, if there are important and volatile releases, you can, for example, not trade the currencies that have volatile releases during the week. Or, for another example, if there is an important release and you have a trade open, you may want to widen your stop loss. This means put it further away, so that in case that there is a spike in the price movement, your trade won't close. Just a very quick little briefing about the economic calendar. Don't forget to choose your local time frame up here so that the release is shown in your local time. Here's where you can choose like the release for yesterday, for just today, or for next week, for this week. You can also choose it by the dates on the calendar. And this section is also very important for you to use. You see here, you can choose specific countries that are of interest for you. So like if you're, for example, if you're trading the Euro US dollar, you can clear everything and then you can choose, like, for example, the United States. There's also Eurozone. Oh, where is it? Eurozone. And for example, whenever I look at the Eurozone, I also check Germany. Or if you are trading, for example, GBP USD, the British pound and US dollar, then you can simply choose the United Kingdom and the United States. On the bottom right here is also the importance, these bull's heads. One means that it's the least volatile release. 2 is medium or volatile, and 3 is very volatile. I usually choose the 2 and the 3. So basically, don't forget about these filters. Don't forget to use the economic calendar. It's very important when you use this style of trading, swing trading. We do have a specific stream that's dedicated to fundamental analysis. And once again, the entire playlist, the link is in the description of this video. So definitely check it out. Let me just check in chat. I do welcome you to join in chat, ask your questions. My colleagues are going to help me out and answer you guys. And of course, I will join you at the end as well. Let's see here. Arnabas, will you take live trades today or deliver the concepts? I'm going to deliver the concepts. I do have a trade open that I opened yesterday, and we'll discuss it just a little bit later. Vish Root, why can't see my economic calendar? Do you mean on your platform? Once again, on the left-hand side of the platform, click on More, click on Economic Calendar, and your economic calendar should pull up. If you are having any technical issues, if it's not showing up or it's not pulling up, I do kindly ask you to contact our support team by clicking on Help. If you click on support, basically you can open a chat. Whenever I contact support anywhere, I usually like to chat. You can send an email or you can actually contact us by phone as well. So let's see here. So let's talk about some of the advantages and shortcomings of this trading style. Well, for one thing, one of the benefits is that this style of trading requires less of your time in the market. So in essence, you can check on your trade about 1 or 2 times a day. For example, in the morning and in the evening. So once again, one of the benefits is that it requires less time in the market. Another benefit is that you can maximize your profit by adding to your trade. kind of called like pyramid trading, and we are going to discuss this more in detail in just a second. One of the disadvantages is, for example, is that you need to keep track of the economic calendar and also get familiar with fundamental analysis. Which I guess this could be a disadvantage, but I would say that this is a plus because as you expand your knowledge and fundamental analysis is very important in trading periods. So I'm not sure if this is a plus or a minus. Depends on the person, I would say. Another minus is that there's higher commission. As the positions are held open for several days, they accumulate what's called the rollover commission, which is the commission charge for keeping your trades open overnight. But one great thing that I have to mention about this is that with Olymp trade, there is no double rollover commission charged on Wednesdays as compared to classical Forex. And this, of course, is a great benefit for swing traders. Let me just check in chat for just 2 seconds. Mems Ahmed, should I leave my ID number here to win risk-free trade? No, 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 not here. So once again, I'll repeat this at the end as well, but leave your comments below this video with your account ID number and also the last post in the community. Next Tuesday, we'll do a risk-free trade by choosing a random comment below the post in the community. And next Thursday, we'll do a random, choose a random winner from comments below this video. Now let's talk a little bit about some general rules, things that we should be doing and things that we should avoid. 1, if at the end of the day, the trade is in our favor, so it's moving in the direction of our trade, everything is going fine, then we keep the trade open. If the trade is not in our favor, then it is better to close it. It is actually possible to keep the trade open as we can set a stop loss. But as a general rule with this style of trading, if the trade is not in our favor, then it's better to close it. If the market is not meeting our expectations, then it's also better to exit the trade. For example, let's say that there was a reversal, but now the market is simply moving in a flat. So it's really not moving in our direction. It's just kind of consolidating. It's kind of like moving in a flat, moving sideways. It's not exactly what we were expecting. And as a general rule, it's better to consider closing the trade. Also, I would like to mention that if you accumulate a large profit, especially if it's after like a big move, for example, after some news release, it is better to collect your profit by closing the trade before a possible retracement. The next thing that I would like to mention is system Escort. Sounds interesting, right? But actually, when we went over this in our previous stream, in one of our previous streams about how to make your trade profitable, it's basically, this means that you are following your trade as it is moving in the direction of your trade. And you are following the price movement and you are adjusting your stop loss in the direction of your trade as the price moves. So basically you are escorting your trade, your system. So after a move and a retracement, we adjust the stop loss level. This way we first bring our trade to break even. That means if the trade goes in the opposite direction, it's going to close at 0. So this would be at the level of our trade opening. And then as we adjust the stop loss level higher on an uptrend or lower on a downtrend, we turn our stop loss level into a take profit order, because if the trade starts moving in the opposite direction, it's no longer a stop loss. It's actually going to close in profit. So it's really, really awesome. Don't forget to use it. Definitely a great tool to use in trading. Now, my friends, I also want to mention, since we're on this topic, that Olymp trade has several different statuses. There is the starter status, there's the advanced status, and expert status. You are assigned and you can actually click on more right here and click on statuses, and this will bring you to this page. You are assigned the advanced level when you make a deposit in the amount of $500 or more, and the expert status when you make a deposit of $2,000 or more. Each status has advantages. Different ones, such as a higher rate of return on FCT. And another really awesome advantage for Forex traders is called trailing stop. When you turn on trailing stop for your trade, the stop loss will basically, and this is what it's going to look like whenever you have it. Excuse me, not here, right here. If you notice, we've had a little bit of a change in how everything's displayed, but basically it's explanatory. And basically, whenever you whenever you connect the trailing stop, it's basically going to follow the price movement automatically, so that you don't have to adjust it as the trade is moving in the direction of your trade. And you can definitely check out the different advantages for the different styles, for the different statuses in this section right here. So once again, by clicking on more and going to statuses. Now, there are a couple of strategies that I'd like to mention today that are often used with swing trading. You see, some traders prefer to have one single trade. And I just want to show you this on the chart right here. This is a 4-hour time frame. This is GBP USD, so the British pound and the United States dollar. I want to show you that beginning about right here. This is the 11th of May, and this is the 15th, the 15th of May. So this right here is 1 week's move from Monday through Friday. So, like I said, there are different traders. So, some traders prefer to have one single trade. So they open a trade, follow the price move, and when necessary, they exit the trade. So basically, for example, you can open your trade right here, and at the end of the week, for example, whenever we can close it right here. Another option is called pyramid trading. Pyramid trading means that as we are following our trade and it is moving in the direction of our trade, it is moving in our favor. Let's say that we have good cause to believe that further movement is imminent. So in this case, as the price moves in the direction of our trade and then retraces, moves in the direction of our trade and retraces, these retracements, for one thing, we are using to adjust our stop loss. And another thing that we can do is basically that you can add more to the trade. So meaning enter another position in the same direction. It's like stacking your trades. How much you decide to add to your trade is up to you and should be a part of your strategy. For example, let's say you can use a percentage of the initial trade, for example, something like 10 or 50%. Or if you have like a fixed daily amount that you trade with, you can divide this fixed amount and enter in steps. So like I said, it's up to you and should be a part of your strategy. Write it in your trading journal and follow it. Now, we did discuss strategies and how to follow them all as well. Rahul Namasudra. Please say my name. Rahul. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Jerry, welcome. Smaran, hello, hello. The mail ID works. Have got any reply from them? Let's see here. Unfortunately, I am a different department from our support team. But like I said, you can definitely click on the help button right here and click on support, enter the chat, and maybe also ask them. And they will be more than happy to help you. So once again, let's see here. So this brings me to an important psychological aspect that I'd like to discuss with you. And basically, it is to resist the urge to potentially multiply your losses. And let me explain this a little bit. And this is important, especially when we keep our trades open for several days. Let's say that there is a trend on the market, and my trade is just happily following this trend, and everything is just going fine and dandy. Then there is a retracement. Basically, let me just show you this one more time. You see how I love this picture right here, how all the moving averages, the price moved below the moving averages, the moving averages crossed. So we had a move down, And this can be our level of resistance, especially this 200 EMA. I love it. So we have a move down, and then we have a retracement. It came back to retest this level that it broke. And then we had further movement down, and then we have a retracement. Further movement down, retracement. This is just how the market works. Move down, retracement. Move down, retracement. This is how it works. And what I first mentioned is that, don't forget to adjust your stop loss level as we're moving down. So like move down, retracement, we move our stop loss to this level. Move down, retracement, move down, we move it to the next level down. But my topic right now about the psychological aspect about multiplying your potentially multiplying your losses. So let's say that there's this retracement, and we're thinking to ourselves, this is just a great opportunity for me to go ahead and enter another trade. But what happens is the price moves even further away. And it basically moves in the opposite direction. But what we say to ourselves, what we think about is like, oh my goodness, well, this is an even more an even better price. So I'm going to go ahead and enter another trade because we believe that our trade direction is going to resume. But then the price breaks this level, and the price is moving against us. Now think about it. Psychologically, this is going to be really hard to accept because we just entered two trades in the opposite direction. But that's not all of it. What you need to avoid in this situation is thinking, oh, but this price is even more advantageous. The price is surely going to reverse in my favor and move in my favor. Entering such positions may increase your chances of multiplying your losses. So definitely keep track of that. Use your support and resistance levels, your trend lines. And if the trade is not moving in our direction, it is better to close the trade rather than multiply your losses, right? Don't forget about that. So basically, just wanted to show you that I do have a trade right here that I opened yesterday. And basically, I opened it right here on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, this is a really good level. This was our level of support several times in the past. And we can see that the price broke above it. And actually, what I can show you even more is that if we take our Fibonacci, from this move right here to this move right here, we can see that the price reached the 50% level and then started and then resumed in this direction of this downtrend. So I entered my position here yesterday, and now the price is basically just consolidating, moving sideways. But what I wanted to show you is that originally my stop loss was slightly above this last maximum. And we can adjust it first to the, I wanted to show you this on further movement, but basically first you would adjust it to the level of your trade opening, mining the commission. So basically once it's going to be 0, I can't adjust it here quite yet. I can't adjust it to basically break even. And as the price moves further down in the direction of my trade, I'll move it down, and this stop loss is going to be a take profit. That's the break even stream that we recently had and what we just discussed. So also another thing is that when the price starts moving further down, once we break this EMA, I can enter another position in this direction. So that's the pyramid trading that I wanted to show you. So now, my friends, let's do a little recap. And since I'm through here, let me go ahead and come back online to see how everybody's doing. So basically, let's do a little recap. Swing trading means that you keep your trades open for multiple trading sessions. So your positions can remain open for as long as 1 or 2 weeks. If the trade does change direction, then you can close it after several days. A combination of fundamental and technical analysis should be used, so definitely don't forget to check the economic calendar for volatile releases. and adjust your stop loss. So once again, if there are some important releases during the week, you can either not trade those currencies, the currencies of those countries, or you can basically adjust your stop loss to widen it so that in case there is a spike, then your trade won't close. There's the advantage of having to spend less time in the market, keeping close track of your trades. But there is a higher commission payment for rollover commission, which is the charge for keeping your trades open overnight. You want to check your trades at the end of the day, and if the trade is in our favor, we keep it open. If it's not, then it's better to consider closing the trade or set a convenient stop loss order. If the market is not meeting our expectation and the price is not going where we planned, where we were hoping, then it is better to exit the position. Follow your trade and adjust your stop loss order along with the price movement, like I just showed you. And don't forget about the different statuses and the advantage of using the trailing stop so that you don't have to manually follow the price movement. You can just turn it on and it's going to work by itself. Don't forget to use the strategy called pyramid trading by adding to your trade and by opening several positions as the price is moving with the trend. And if you find yourself in a position where the price starts to move against you, my friends, resist the urge to enter a trade that can increase your chances of multiplying your losses. And also I want to mention, definitely don't forget to check out different time frames and have a good idea and picture of what is going on with the price movement. Whichever time frame that you are working on, that you are using, you always want to check one time frame higher so that you have like a more global picture of what is going on. And I always like to check out the lower time frame so that I can see in detail exactly what is going on. So that's actually called a triple screen trading. So if you're trading on the 4-hour time frame, check the 1-day time frame and the 1-hour time frame. Let's see here. I just want to go ahead and mention one more time that our promo code for today is SAFE and then the number 37. This will add plus 30% to your deposits, and it works until next Monday, June the 1st, my friends. And also for anybody that is new, go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out any important notifications. Give this video a thumbs up, show me your support, let me know if you like the stream. Once again, don't forget to leave your comments below this video once it is posted on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to include your account ID number. So next Thursday we'll raffle a risk-free trade, and also don't forget to check out the community and leave your comments with your account ID number below the last post with the technical targets. Check out the technical targets. Did you have the same technical targets? Did you use them? Did you gain profit? Did you like them? I don't know, just share your thoughts with us. I love to read your comments. And then next Thursday we'll raffle, next Tuesday we'll raffle the random comment from below the post. Let's see here. I just want to check how everybody's doing in chat. Are there any tutorials for trading on Olymp Trade? Hamdad Ahmed is asking. Ooh, there are so many videos on our YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe and check out the different playlists and the different videos. Also check out the section that's called playlist, because then you can find the specific videos for those specific topics. So it's just easier for you to use. Kennedy, I'm not receiving text messages from my phone to access login. Oh, I do kindly ask you to contact our support team. Unfortunately, it's a different department from us. I would love to help you, but our support team will be able to do it much better. Alrighty. And also, hello, instructor. Could you tell us that do we require any prior knowledge of marketing or finance for trading? Everybody can start trading. You don't have to have any financial knowledge. You can learn everything. And, you know, our courses, this course is Forex trading for beginners. And we go everything from like step 1 to the last step. In our first stream, we basically went over the platform, where you find the different things, what buttons you need to click, where you need to find and basically how to start trading. So we teach you step by step. So no, you do not need to have any specific knowledge to start trading. So I welcome you. Of course, you do need to learn and before you enter the market. Also, don't forget that we have a demo account that you can use indefinitely. You can use all the different trading strategies. You can use all the different indicators, forex trading, FTT, everything. First, simulate on a demo account, and then when you feel comfortable, switch to your live account and start getting profit, my friends. Let's see here. I do believe that everything is great. No more questions. Thank you so much for joining today. It was lovely to see you all. Once again, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and join me next week. And we'll continue with fixed time trading and Forex. I hope you all have a great trading day, fantastic Friday, and a great weekend ahead. I'll see you guys next time.